Welcome to our channel. Streaming Disney Plus on your television brings the magic of Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic to your home. Step 1. Power on your smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your device, which may be called different names depending on your device brand. Step 3. Search for Disney Plus or Disney Plus in the App Store's search function. Step 4. Download and install the Disney Plus app on your device. Installation usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Open the Disney Plus app once the download is complete. Step 6. On the welcome screen, select the option to log in. An 8-digit activation code will appear on your TV. Step 7. Keep your TV displaying this activation code while you complete the next steps on another device. Step 8. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and visit disneyplus.com. Begin. Step 9. Log into your Disney Plus account using your email address and password. Step 10. Enter the 8-digit activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field. Step 11. Click Continue or Activate to link your TV to your Disney Plus account. Step 12. Your TV will automatically refresh within a few seconds, granting access to the entire Disney Plus library. Start watching movies, series, and exclusive Disney Plus originals immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.